Hit it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Don Burdette, little Elvis Presley this evening on the mountaintop.
7 lonely days and a dozen towns ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Well, I don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain and I'm thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. Well, I loved you much too long, our love's too strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down. Another head, another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you on the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. I showed you a photograph to a couple of gray-bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she'd been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. So I'm walking with a ride, and I'm thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained and asked him if he'd bless me with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down. Another head, another town that I'll go walking through, with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Oh, in the cold Kentucky rain. I about fell over on that one. You get in the